We need a meeting. Tension again high in the public sector as unions accuse government of breaching wage deal. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, manhunt in progress. Police search for father accused of stabbing 17-year-old daughter. And Prime Minister reveals Cornwall Regional Hospital could cost more than budgeted. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.